Hi, are you thinking about moving to Seattle, Washington, or the suburbs around it? Well, in today's video, we are going to get into talking about veteran home loans. So are you a veteran that has served our country and are looking to know about what can be done in the state of Washington to help you purchase a home? Well, today's video is for you because we are going to be talking to my preferred lender, Carmen Richter with Movement Mortgage. She's been in the business for over 35 years. She actually helped us purchase our very own home, so I can personally vouch for her, and she's going to walk us through all the advantages and benefits of being a veteran home buyer in the state of Washington. So if that sounds of interest to you, stick around. Hey Carmen, how are you today?
I'm doing great. How about yourself?
Good. I mean, it's sunny, it's September, can't really complain. I already introduced you to my guest, but I just kind of wanted you to jump in here and talk about sort of your role in the home buying process. And then what is it like for veterans in the state of Washington? What advantages can they take advantage of for being so good to our country and protecting us?
Amen. I agree. I love a VA home loan. And of course, I'm a lender in all aspects of conventional FHA, VA type lending, first time home buyer, third time home buyer, doesn't matter. But today we're just going to talk about the VA home loan, which is available in the state of Washington to veterans, people who have already served our country, active duty military, some reservists and National Guards, and also spouses of deceased veterans. And the greatest thing, you can have money down, do a VA loan, that's great also, but the VA loan, the big selling point is that the VA offers a true 0% down payment, which is great, advantageous for especially a first-time home buyer. And the VA also is much more lenient on credit scores. They'll do lower credit scores. They also have a higher debt to income ratio, higher than just about any other lending institution. So a seller can contribute for a veteran up to 4% to cover their closing costs and their prepaid items, which are things like the property taxes and insurance. So a veteran can truly buy a home with no money out of their pocket. And certainly they're deserving of that for putting their life on the line for our country. Absolutely. So the few things that a veteran really needs to do is, one, they need to work with a lender that has been doing VA home loans or that is an expert at VA home loans. There are many, online lenders that are advertising that they're doing that, but it's very important to have someone that's going to hold their hand, walk them through the entire process, and that knows the differences in a VA home loan versus conventional or FHA. A veteran, all lending really wants you to be 2 years in the same line of work. And, we need W-2s and pay stubs. All of that is the same, but there are two key things that a veteran has to have. First one being their discharge paperwork, which is known as a DD-214. And if you're a veteran, you already know that. But you need to have that one form because on that form, that indicates the time period that you served and if you are eligible for a VA home loan. It also lets us know if you have any service-connected disabilities. If you have any service-connected disability, that's a benefit because the VA will completely waive their funding fee, which is a fee that is financed into your loan amount during the processing. The other thing the veteran needs is the certificate of eligibility. They can order that online, but I can also order that for them instantaneously with a copy of their DD-214. So it's not like a veteran needs to feel like they need to do any of that homework for themselves other than having their DD-214 on hand. If for some reason they don't have that form, that is something else that we can help them get ordered. That's just something that takes a little longer to get. So really the best thing, in my opinion, for a veteran to do is to have the phone call. Let's get the information, start out with a very detailed phone call, get their information gathered up, get them pre-approved, do all that before they've even gone out and looked at a home and fallen in love with a home. This is a great time to buy a house, even with rising interest rates. The veteran can buy a home with virtually no money out of their pocket. The key is to just work with a lender that knows what they're doing and with a real estate agent that knows how to put together an offer for a veteran in our crazy market. So that's my take.
Absolutely. Well, thank you, Carmen, so much. That had so many nuggets and great pieces of information. Carmen, if people want to get a hold of you after this video and they want to know more, what's the best way to get a hold of you?
Well, the best way is always my cell phone, which is 206-817-7971, or my email, which is carmen.richter@movement.com. And here at Movement Mortgage, where I work, we are very, very passionate about our veterans. We are so passionate that we waive our one fee that is charged to, all buyers, an underwriting fee. Most VA lenders still charge that, but a seller has to pay that. But here at Movement Mortgage, we waive that because we are really grateful for our veterans that have served our country.
That is so awesome. Yeah, we are so lucky to have veterans and to be in a state that really honors veterans and makes it easier to do things like own a house and do things with the house and all the things that just cost money, and they deserve a little bit of a break. So thank you so much for your time. We really appreciate it. And I hope you have an awesome day.
You too. Take good care and enjoy the rest of your day, and just have them give me a call. That's our first place to start. Okay. Thanks so much. Take care. Bye.
Bye. Thanks for sticking around, guys. I am so glad you got to meet my good friend, Carmen. She is full of valuable information, so do get in contact with her if you are more curious on the lending side and less on the where to find a home side. I hope this video was of value to you. And again, thank you, whether it's you or someone you know or a spouse that you love and care for. Thank you for serving our country and being a part of keeping us feeling safe. So if you like this video, please do check out some of my other videos and subscribe to my channel, tap the bell for notifications, and I hope to see you around town real soon. Have a wonderful day.